Everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the recovery menu. So let's get started. And first we need to enter the recovery menu, and that part is a bit tricky because we need to reboot the watch in a specific way. We need to reboot it so basically the watch starts rebooting and you can see the rebooting message on the screen, otherwise this won't work. And once you see the rebooting message on the screen, you need to start pressing the home button repeatedly until you enter the boot menu. And to reboot the watch, to see the rebooting message on the screen, we need to press and hold both buttons and keep holding them for about, I would say, 10-15 seconds. And if nothing happens during that time, we can release the button, or buttons rather, and then press and hold them again. And keep holding them until we see the rebooting message on the screen. So let's do it. So let's press and hold the buttons, keep holding them. And after some time, the screen will turn off on your watch. If it does, keep holding the buttons for a bit longer. And after that, we can release them. And if nothing happens at all, we need to press and hold them again. So I would say this is good enough. We can release the buttons. And at this point, the watch should be turned off basically. And now we can press and hold the buttons again and keep holding them until you see the rebooting message on the screen. And then you can quickly release the buttons and start pressing the home button repeatedly. So let's keep holding the buttons. Okay, so let's try again. Let's press and hold the buttons again. Okay, and now we can press the home button repeatedly. And after that, the watch will enter the reboot mode. And here we have some options. And one of them, the second one, I don't know if you can tell, it's recovery boot. And basically to select it, we need to press the home button to scroll down. Select the recovery boot, the second option, and then press and hold the home button to confirm. And the watch will reboot. And it will boot into recovery menu. And here we have a few options, actually only two options, reboot system now and wipe data / factory reset and power off. Okay, so three options, my bad. Reboot system now will reboot you into system. If you select power off, it will turn off the watch. And if you want to factory reset the watch, select the wipe data / factory reset. And to select it, you can press the lower button. It will scroll down. You have a warning message that if you're connected to an account, you will need to enter information to unlock the watch because it has like a FPR, I think, lock on it. And to confirm, press the crown button or home button. Then scroll down by pressing down button. Press the home button again. And then wait until the wiping is complete. Like this. Then you can select reboot system now and press the home button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete and you can set up your watch again connected with a device, like a phone basically. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the recovery menu. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.